Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple design like this using Adobe Photoshop. So guys, I'm just gonna open Photoshop. It doesn't matter what version you have in Photoshop. So now we can click on create new button right here, and your width and height should be 1920 by 1080 and this one should be at pixel. And then just copy all of these settings and hit on create. Okay, perfect. Now you need to get your rectangle tool right here and make a rectangle. Once you make your rectangle, at the top it will open some options. So we don't need to have a stroke to our rectangle. So to disable the stroke, you need to click on this stroke icon and then you click this button, and then we can put any color to our rectangle. So to do that, you need to click on fill. Just click that and select any color you like. It doesn't matter what color you pick. Once you select your color, just hit on enter. Okay, now you need to click on Ctrl plus T and it will select the free transform effect. Okay, then you need to click on Ctrl plus Shift and using your left click, just angle this rectangle like this and click on check mark right here and click on yes. Okay, then just get your move tool by clicking V on your keyboard. Okay, now we need to make two copies of this rectangle. So to do that, you need to hold Alt on your keyboard and drag a rectangle to your right side and click on U on your keyboard, and then it will select the rectangle tool. Give this rectangle any color and hit on OK and get your move tool. And using your arrow keys, just place that rectangle. Okay, now we need to have one more rectangle. So just hold Alt on your keyboard and drag a rectangle to your right side and click on U and select any color you like. Now we created three rectangles. As you can see, these three rectangles is not centered to the worksheet. So to center all of these three rectangles, you need to click the first rectangle layer at your layer panel and click the last rectangle layer using shift, and then it will highlight all rectangle layers, and using your arrow keys just middle the rectangles. Okay guys, once you middle these three rectangles, our right side of our worksheet and the left side is not filled. So you need to make two more rectangles to your left side and to your right side. So just hold on your keyboard and drag a rectangle to your left side and give any color you like. Using your arrow keys, just move it to your left side. Okay, just do the same thing to your right side. As you can see guys, we make 5 rectangles. Then I need to arrange my rectangles. It means I need to get this first rectangle at the first of this layer panel, and then the second rectangle should be at the second layer. So now I'm gonna click the first rectangle layer, and then at layer panel it will highlight the layer to that first rectangle. If it didn't select that, make sure you select this auto select button and select the first rectangle layer and move it to the top, and select the second rectangle layer and also do the same, move it to second. This one should be at third and this one should be at fourth. Now I've arranged this rectangle. So this is my first rectangle, this is the second rectangle, third, fourth and last. Okay, perfect. Now I need to add a shadow to my rectangle. So I'm just going to select the first rectangle layer and then I'm going to double click on that, and then it will open this layer style window. Okay, now you will click on drop shadow, it should be the last, and then just mess with these settings. Okay, now I'm going to click on OK. So guys, I add a drop shadow to my first rectangle layer, and then I need to do the same thing to other 4 rectangles. So it's very difficult to select the second rectangle layer and take this drop shadow and then put the same settings. So this is the easiest way to do that. Just select the layer that you put that drop shadow. In my case, I'm going to select the first rectangle layer. Right click on that layer and then click on copy layer style and select the second rectangle layer. Click last rectangle layer using shift and then it will highlight all 4 layers. Just right click on that and click on paste layer style. As you can see, it add a drop shadow to other 4 layers, and then you can add your pictures. So I already download some pictures, so I'm just gonna show you the pictures. Okay, these are the pictures I downloaded. If you like to download these pictures, click the link in the description box. Once you click that, you can download these pictures. So I'm just gonna open Photoshop. And then I'm gonna select the first rectangle layer, and then I'm gonna drag and drop my first image to Photoshop. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna move this picture like that, and then I'm gonna tick this check mark. Then you need to right click on that image that you add to Photoshop and click on create clipping mask. As you can see, it goes inside of that rectangle. Then you can move the photo inside the rectangle like that, and then select the second rectangle layer and then put the other image to Photoshop and right click on that image and click on create clipping mask. Okay guys, just do the same thing to other rectangles. Okay guys, I put all of my images to the rectangles and we successfully created the design, and the final step is to export this image. So to do that, click on file at your top left corner and click on export, then export as, and it will open this exporting window. Make sure your format is at JPG or PNG. I'm going to leave it at JPG, and then copy all of these settings and hit on export and just select the location where you need to save the design. So I'm just gonna save it to my desktop, and then you can give a name. And then once you give your name, just hit on save, and then it will export to our computer, and then I'm just gonna open the picture. So as you can see, this is the design that we created using Adobe Photoshop, and we can go ahead and try this out. And yeah guys, that's it the video. Please subscribe my channel if you're new, and of course please give this video a like. Thanks for watching this video until the end. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.